Hi all folks, it's Max from HiOnAndroid.com. So user Gooey Nono Gislane, I hope I said it right, on Google Plus, he asked me, hey Maxley, could you please make me a video tutorial on how you manage to reduce the size of your supposedly huge HD video files from your Canon 70 before you upload them on YouTube. So I basically render my videos. I'll actually show you. Let's go to my desktop real quick. So I'm gonna actually show you this next video I'm gonna edit. This is all my old stuff, and what I have here on my left side is all my watermarks for all my different sites. I know I have too many sites. This time I'm gonna do it for Android Dummies, and also I have all these files down here. I gotta go find where I copied it to. It should be under Android Dummies. So let me see. Android Dummies. So I'm going to do a video on search engine change. I'm just going to drag and to my video, and let me show you how much, how many gigabytes that is. If I just upload it straight, that will be. This is actually that's 500 megabytes for a minute 30-second video. Now if you try to upload this, unless you have like a super fast internet, I have 20 megabits per second down, 25 down, and 5 up. So even at that 500 megabytes, that's going to take me like 20-30 minutes. So what I do is also when you upload long files, YouTube doesn't like it because it's it's not really in the format they like. MOV file is great, but that's not the favorite YouTube file. I find the best format is WMV, which is Windows format, and also it makes the size of the video much smaller while keeping the most of quality resolution. So let's go here. I've got my video here, and I'm gonna drag and drop my AndroidDummies.com here, which shows my watermark, and I can preview it, whatever. And then I'm gonna save it, and simply I'm gonna export it. I export media. This is, by the way, this is called the Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is the most important part here. Click video, and I choose Windows Media 9. Let me zoom in there. And you can see that there's different formats you can use. Codecs. Let me see. There's also up here you can choose different types. But I've tried all of them. If you try to do MPEG-4 or H.2.6.4, it's gonna take forever to render. And also I do Windows Video 9. And also you can mess with some of these settings, but I just like to set it at 29.97, which is the frames per rate I recorded in, and also 1080p, and that's pretty much it. You can actually mess with the video bit rate, video buffer size, all this. You can mess with it and try to get it as low as possible without degrading your performance, and then you can save this your preset as a custom. So I saved it, so every time it's gonna do what I want it to do. And you can also make the audio so it's it's going to be at the highest quality, but it's going to be rendered, and it's going to be smaller file. So from 500 megabytes, it becomes 5 times smaller. It's only going to take me to render this maybe 10 minutes plus upload it another 2 minutes instead of like 20 minutes. So if I render it and upload it, I actually save time than just uploading the whole video. Plus I can put my my watermark there, because people want to find this video. Sometimes all these people, a lot of Chinese sites, they'll if your video gets famous, they'll take it, they'll put it on your put it on their servers, and you won't get any credit for it. But if you put your watermark there, users, they can always see where this video is actually from, and they'll look up AndroidDummies.com after they see the video. So that's another very important part of making your video. I used to not do this, but after I did it, people would find a way back to my site. So I'm gonna put it on Q, and one of the coolest parts about Adobe Premiere Pro is there's actually a separate program that actually renders. So the thing with I tried Sony Vega and some of the other programs, the problem was it would try to render it in the whole same program, and what would happen is sometimes it would crash and you would lose your render, and also you would lose your, you know, whatever you're working on, and it was just crap. But this one, you can actually even hook up a bunch of computers and make a separate rendering computer. I don't know how to do that. I just use one computer. But this is great. I can have it render. I can even pause it. You know, if it's taking too much time, I can always, you know, I can even close this because I'm done, and my rendering program is, you know, gonna have a more memory. And also, there's some stuff you can do under preferences. Make sure, let me see, preview while encoding is off because they'll make it encode faster. And also under memory, you can actually increase the memory used for your rendering. So I've got it at 6.5 gigabytes, so it'll render faster. And so after it's done, I'm going to upload the WMV file that's made. And that's pretty much it. So that's how I render my videos, and I think it's a good way. I mean, if you're just gonna upload, like, you know, SD videos, like, you know, low resolution videos, you don't even need this Adobe Premiere Pro. But I just do it because I use 1080p exclusively, and you know, one of the reasons I do that is my video looks cooler than somebody who uploads a blurry video. And also, you know, with this rendering, it's gonna make my video look crisp clear even if you don't hit that HD button. So that's why I'll do all this. I'm not a total professional about all this, but you know, I'm just sharing what I'm doing, and I hope this helped you. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+, and we're gonna go get high on Android now. See y'all later.